Everybody, it's fun with Tab, and today we're outside, and it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, and today we're going to do our lesson on the letter H. But before we do that, this is the capital letter H on this side, and here's the lowercase h on this side. Now that we know we're going to talk about the letter H, today we're going to also talk about verbs. What? You asking me? Do you know what a verb is? Verbs tells what we can do. And we can do a whole lot of things. We've been doing verbs all the time and didn't know that we were doing verbs. We can walk. We can run. We can dance. We can sit. We can stand. We can exercise. We can do a whole lot of things. But today, we're going to do some verbs that begin with the letter H. H has the H sound. Can you say H? Good job. That is the only sound that the letter H makes. Hello? Who am I speaking to? Dalen? Oh, hi, Dalen. How you doing? You know I'm on the show. I'm doing a show right now. You are? You actually watching one of my shows right now? Great. What do you think? Is it good? Oh, you like it? Oh, that really made my day. You want to do an episode with me? Now, is it okay with your mom? Great. I will be right over. That was Dalen. He's one of my fans. He wanted me to come over to his house and do an episode. And I said, yes, I would love to do an episode. So I'm going over to Dalen's house to do the letter H. Today, we're going to meet Dalen. He and I are going to do the letter H for today. I am so excited. Hi, everybody. This is Fun with Tab, and guess what? Here's Dalen. Hi, Dalen. How you doing?
Good.
And here's his little brother right here, Taxton. Say hi, Taxton.
Hi.
Hey, Taxton. Hey, everybody. Fun with Tab and Dalen are here to do the letter H. Do you know what the letter H sounds like, Dalen? What does it sound like? Great job. Did you hear Dalen? Dalen says the letter H sounds like Do you agree with him?
No.
Great job. Great job. So today, Dalen, we're going to talk about some verbs that begin with the letter H.
No, it doesn't.
What?
H.
You're asking me what is a verb? A verb tells what we can do.
No.
You understand? So, Dalen, what are two things that you like to do?
Like Spider-Man.
You like to play Spider-Man, and what else?
Color.
And he likes to color. Is playing something you can do? Great job. Playing is something you can do. What about coloring? Yes, coloring is also something you can do. Excellent. So today, Dalen, we're going to do some verbs that begin with the letter H. And what does the letter H sound like? Did he get it correct? Great job. The letter H sounds like Come on, Dalen. Ready?
Verbs tells what you can do. Here are some examples just for you.
Hit. Tag. You hit. All right, come on in, Dana.
Hop, hide,
Where's Daly? Oh, he's hiding? Oh, come on back over here, Daly.
hug,
Give me a big hug, Daly. Oh, yes. Good job, Texton. Holla.
holler,
Hey, party over here.
help,
Oh, let me help you up. You okay?
Yeah.
You okay? All right. Good job. All right.
Verbs are easy to understand. Just do it. Do you comprehend?
All right, we had fun doing some verbs that begin with the letter H, didn't we?
Yes.
Great job. What about you, Taxton? Good job, Taxton. All right, so today we learned that the letter H makes the what sound? Very good. And we also learned about verbs. Verbs tells what we can do. And we can do a whole lot of things. We can walk, we can run, we can dance, we can do a whole lot of things. And that's what verbs do. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you enjoyed today's episode about the letter H, hit that subscribe button. Until then, Dalen and I and Taxton are going to say goodbye. Ready? Bye.